Hi, everyone, and welcome to this third GABAC. We are having some issue, but I hope that we will be able to do it, you know. So, good morning, everyone, and welcome to this third edition of GABAC, presented to you by Allo Community, the Ambitious Truths Project Manager, and a key industry player, IBA DC chapter. So it is a real pleasure to be here today to discuss a topic that is shaping the future of our societies and economies and our daily work. So you already know the theme is beyond automation, building human and AI collaboration. So for years, actually, conversations around artificial intelligence has focused on one central question: will AI replace human? But today, we are starting to ask a much more meaningful question. How can human and AI work together to create better outcomes than either could alone? So, automation was the first chapter of AI story. Machines performing repetitive tasks faster, cheaper, and more accurately. From factory robots to automated customer service system, automation has helped organizations improve efficiency and productivity. But automation alone is not the future. The next chapter, the one we are entering right now, is about collaboration. Instead of replacing humans, AI is becoming a partner, helping doctors, teachers in personalizing education, enabling entrepreneurs to make smarter decisions. In another word, AI is most powerful when it amplifies human intelligence rather than replaces it. And this shift from automation to collaboration is especially important for Africa. Africa is home to the youngest population in the world. By 2030, more than 40% of the world youth will live on this, well, I'm saying on this continent. This demographic reality changes how we should think about AI. In many parts of the world, AI is often discussed as a tool to replace labor in aging societies. But in Africa, the conversation should be different. Here, AI is not about replacing people. It's about empowering millions of young innovators, entrepreneurs, and professionals to solve real problems faster and more effectively. So when we think about AI in Africa, we should not imagine a future where machines dominate. Instead, we should imagine a future where AI becomes a multiplier for human creativity, local knowledge, and innovation. So let me share two short examples quickly from across the continent that illustrates this idea of human and AI collaboration. In Lagos, health tech startups are using AI to support doctors in diagnosing disease, disease faster. Instead of replacing medical professional, AI tool analyze patient data and medical image to highlight potential risks, helping doctors to make more accurate decisions. The key word here is support. So the technology strengthens the doctor expertise. Another powerful example comes from Nairobi, where agricultural platforms use AI-powered satellite data and predictive analytics to help farmers understand weather patterns, soil conditions, and crop disease. But the system only works because farmers provide local insights about their land, their crops, and their practices. So AI analyzes the data, human interpret the context. That is true collaboration. These examples remind us that technology alone is not innovation. Innovation happens when technology meets human insights. Now let's bring this conversation closer to home, where I am from. In recent years, Benin has been quietly building a digital transformation journey that deserves attention. Through initiatives like Seven City, the government and private sector have started to create an ecosystem where technology, entrepreneurship, and education intersect. This is extremely important because the future of AI will not be determined only by Silicon Valley, Beijing, or Europe. It will also be shaped by young developers in Cotonou, entrepreneurs in Semen City, students in our universities, and startups building solutions for local challenges. So the real question is not whether Benin will adopt AI. The real question is, how will we shape AI so that it reflects our realities, our languages, our markets, and our priorities? And this is where human AI collaboration becomes critical. AI models are trained on data. If Africa does not contribute to that data, if African experts are not involved in designing solutions, then the technologies we use may not understand our context. For example, local languages, informal economies, agricultural practices, health challenges specific to our region. So human expertise from our communities must guide the technology. This is why collaborations matter. Moving beyond the fear narrative means like when people hear about AI, they often think about job loss. And it is true that some jobs will change, but history shows us something important. Every major technological revolution from electricity to the internet has transformed work, but it has also created entirely new industries and opportunities. The challenge is not to resist the change. The challenge is to prepare people to work with technology instead of competing against it. That means investing in digital literacy, AI education, entrepreneurship, ethical technology development. And most importantly, it means encouraging interdisciplinary collaboration. So the future will not belong only to programmers and engineers. It will also belong to teams where technologists work alongside farmers, teachers, healthcare professionals, policy makers, designers, and entrepreneurs. Because AI alone cannot understand the complexity of human problems. It needs human perspective. So one of the greatest advantage Africa has today is its youth. So across the continent, young innovators are already experimenting with AI in ways that are incredibly creative. Students are building chatbots for local services. Developers are already using AI to translate African languages. Entrepreneurs are creating fintech tools that expand financial inclusion. These are not just technology projects. They are solutions for real societal challenges. And if we nurture this ecosystem with the right training, investment, and partnership, Africa could become not only a consumer of AI technology, but a creator of AI solutions for the world. So as we move forward, I would like to propose 3 ideas that guide how we build human AI collaboration in Africa and in Benin. First, AI should augment human capability. Means that technology should help people to do their job better, not push them aside. Secondly, local problems should inspire AI innovation. The most impactful technology will be those designed to address real challenges in agriculture, health, education, and finance. And third one, we must invest in people as much as technology. So the future of AI will depend not only on algorithms, but also skills, creativity, ethics, and leadership. So as we begin today's discussions, I would like to leave you with one simple thought. Artificial intelligence is often described as the most powerful technology of our generation. But technology alone does not determine the future. People do. The real question is not what AI can do. The real question is what humans and AI can achieve together. So if we focus on collaboration instead of replacement, if we empower our young innovators, if we build technologies that reflect our African realities, then the story of AI in Africa and in Benin will not be about automation. It will be about empowerment, creativity, and shared progress. So let's see how this approach of human AI collaboration applies to the software development process. I need to go now. I'm going to share my slide with you. Okay, I need to upload it, and I hope that it will be there. Let me upload that. Okay, and this is okay. This is just a simple slide, okay, where I will show you exactly what we need, okay? And actually what we need is generate artifacts with AI and keep them in sync. We need, now as a business analyst and AI, for the business analyst and AI to collaborate. What we do as a BA is to gather business requirements, even using prompt with any type of tools that will help us do that. And we need to review that, make sure that we are having the correct results. And then AI will use that to generate, the tool will use that to generate the system use cases. I'm not going deep, actually. I'm just highlighting quickly how human AI will collaborate. And after that, the AI will generate artifacts from system use cases. So you have code generation, you have test generation, and then you have documentation generation. So all this, once it has been generated, you still need to test, you still need to review. So it's not like AI is doing everything. We still need humans, and this is how we are going to collaborate. So humans review AI-generated artifacts, and by doing that, we are ensuring that human intent is preserved. That is very important. So don't be afraid. And like I said before in my presentation, like in my opening remark, the real question is not about what AI can do. Don't be afraid. We are going to lose some jobs for sure, but do not be afraid. The real question actually today for Africa, because I'm not talking about Europe or America, I'm talking about Africa. The real question is what humans and AI can achieve together. I'm sure that this also can be applied to the rest of the world, but I'm just focusing today on Africa. So that's what I want to share with you for my opening remark. And Mark, thank you for being here with me. You want to say something? Your mic is on mute. You need to unmute yourself. I can hear you. Okay, can you hear me? You need to unmute yourself, Mark. If you don't unmute yourself, I can't really talk with you. Like I don't know how. You need to unmute yourself.
Yes. I'm here. You're hearing me now, Sylvie?
Yes, I'm here. I'm listening to you.
Yeah. So well said, Sylvie. Well said. It's an inspiring opening remarks, and just also sharing the slides as to what our future is like. I definitely agree. No need for fear. We should be more fearless because I believe artificial intelligence and technology should be our best friends. And the universe is about human beings at the end of the day. So we're the one leading the charge. But I just want to say again to the audience, wider audience, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, where you are, you know, and welcome. Welcome to another amazing GABAC, and I am definitely looking forward to an inspiring day of insightful and informative presentation.
Thank you so much. I'm sorry, we are all actually multitasking. So we are here with you, then we are answering questions on the back channel, on the phone, everywhere. So be with us. I want to see what we have in the chat. Oh, someone is streaming from South Africa. Thank you, Bianca. Thank you so much. Good morning, Dr. Mahesh. Good morning, Louise. Good morning. Who else here? Okay, another Louise. Okay, Andre, thank you so much. Thank you for everyone. Like, I can say thank you. This is the third one. Mark is our partner this year. Like I said last year, I told you guys that Mark and I will do something big, and this is bigger. So wait for the next one. But let's focus on this one today. So thank you so much, Mark. I think that if you have nothing to say anymore, we can just stop this one and prep for the next one. What do you think about that?
Yes, definitely.
Good morning, Pupa. Thank you so much. Okay, so thank you, everyone, and see you
Thank
in
you.
few.
Thank you, guys. Yes, see you.
See you in few minutes.